Is it a good angle?
Is it?
Is it a good angle?
It looks amazing. You look fantastic.
Dave, you'd have been better with one of them chairs. Cushion for the bottom of the table.
Right. Okay, over to me. Hello everybody.
Morning.
Morning. So I've been invited by Dave.
It's a great opportunity.
It's a great opportunity. That's how it was sold to me. So just come and talk to you. So my name's Cath, by the way. I work in BPS. So so I look after quite a lot of apprentices as a tutor, but also some adult and commercial learning as well in the college. And I just wanted to talk to you about Wordwall because it's something that I use quite a lot. So I don't know whether any of you use it currently, but I just wanted to show you how versatile it was really as a resource and how quick it is. And the only reason that I use it is because it is both of those things. Because I'm not really into kind of spending hours planning something. It needs to be something that is really fast, really quick, but really, and actually the learners absolutely love it when I use it as well. Just one thing to say is if you do have it, I pay for it every month. It's £6 a month, but I feel like it's worth that because you don't. If you get the free version, it's not that great, and it doesn't really. Do you pay for it as well? No. Do you use the free version? I think you get about between 3 and 5. Is it 3? 3. Free goes at it, but they're quite clever. You can't then change them, whereas on some of the others you can. It counts it up for you. So what I've done, just to show you sort of the functionality of it, I'll show you the kind of things that I do. So there's loads of different things that you can do. So one of the things that I do is I do a seating plan on it. When it comes up. So this is one of my classes, one of the apprenticeship classes, and this is the shape of the room. But if you had a different shape of the room, literally you can just drag the tables into whatever sequence that you want, put the people's name on there, put the student's name on there, and then you can shuffle them. And I often get the apprentices to do that actually. They come up to the front and they do it, so it's not me doing it either. And it's quite good, it's quite fun for them to do it that way. So that's one thing that it can do. I can't get off this board. Okay. Dave, I might need your... I don't know what's going on.
For some reason it was working.
It was working. No. Oh.
Who had that mouse earlier?
Anybody got a mouse? Oh. What if you just shuffle it and close it? Do a shuffle.
I usually press escape on the keyboard.
I love that.
It's just escape on the keyboard.
Can we use escape? Let's see. No.
Could you click more? And you could go
Active in the top.
Where's home?
in the middle, underneath the search bar. At the top.
Follow the red boxes up. The red boxes on the screen. Follow them.
Home.
It's just not doing it on. Oh, right, there we go. There you go. There's a mouse there for you.
The other types of things that you can do on it are you can do the spinning wheel and change that. But what I really like is, for example, if we look at this legislation quiz that I've built, actually just by clicking these icons at the side, we can change it instantly into something different. So it started off as a sort of quiz and a celebrity quiz, but actually it's now tap to open the box. But it does change how it kind of works. I'm going to go home here. So what I've done is I've just created a little quiz that we can work on. So the other thing you can do is when you, if you set it as an assignment at the bottom here, have any of you done this? If you set it as an assignment, and you then, you can have a leaderboard that goes onto here, and they have to put the name in, and if you press start, what you can then do is you create either a link or a QR code for that specific activity. So what I'm going to do is do that, so if you want to all join.
I think another really important point to mention on this is, because you can make a game but then change it to different types of games, you can then recap on learning but in a slightly different way, you know, really quick and easy.
Yeah.
Does it have like built-in questions already, or do you put
No,
them in?
you have to populate it, but I can't tell you how quick it is, like literally.
So you can't search for sort of pre-made one?
No. Well, you probably could actually, if you make, but you have to make things public, so I bet you could search, but I've never
You
done
could
it.
import, potentially you could import.
You could import from
straight in.
something else, yeah.
I'm pretty sure as well, Question Well, the AI that will make your quizzes for you, you can export ready for
To here, yeah.
to Wordwall. So you
What's
can
that again, sir?
Question Well
Yeah.
is an AI, so you give it like a web page or some text and it will make a quiz for
You'll
you.
manage to get in.
That's great.
It's amazing. You can then edit it. There's a video for Learning Breakfast I'll send you. And you can export it to Kahoot, Bamboozle, whatever, and this is one of the things you can export it to.
You're in. No, don't. Is everybody in who wants to be in?
Use your real names.
So, if you want to have a go on the quiz, you can see how easy it is.
So do they just work through it and you see the scores?
Yeah.
Oh, love it. So to learn a paste.
Yeah. Yeah, so I can see that 3 of you have submitted already.
I got them all wrong.
David's at the top of the leaderboard at the moment.
It's not me.
You got 3 right, well done.
So I only got 2 right.
Oh, you got 2 right.
There's a mouse.
If I'm disappointing.
So 22 of you have now submitted. The average score is 2. It's going really well. The fastest finger is Samira. Where are you? And you got 4. Excellent. So what we can do at the bottom here, when everybody's submitted, is you can actually analyse what questions were right, and you can see where the commonalities are in your class. So none of you knew how many vacancies are currently live on the Burley website, and none of, well, some of you knew how much a half day's bespoke training costs for leader and management. And then you can drill down into people as well.
Oh, brilliant.
So you can kind of see how well each of your learners has done. So, any questions on that at all? It's quite self-explanatory. Those are all my results for the things that I've kind of pushed out in class.
Do you use it just for quizzes?
Pardon?
It's just for like quizzes and the word wheel.
Yeah, but actually when I look at, if I go to create activity, you can do absolutely anything. So match-ups, random cards, group sort, missing words, anagrams, flashcards, hangman, crosswords.
And am I right in thinking as well, Cath, that when you go to make one of them, it shows you which others of those
the resources,
you can then convert it over to.
Yeah, and you literally, once you've made it on the right hand side, you just click a different type
So you
of
can
quiz.
do the same quiz but then change it
Yeah.
and then
Like that.
see if it changes.
Click
the
of a button.
results.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Click of a button.
Cath, would it be in public then? Can you tap something in if you wanted to do something? The resources are already there, so you don't even have to do it.
I've never done that.
No,
Max.
sorry to-
I'm being honest. I've never. But can you see
You
this
said you had to make it
community
public,
here?
so it made me think
Yeah,
it was
look.
so you can
Can.
search stuff
So you
already.
can search for public activities.
I'm pretty sure I've seen other people just using other people they haven't made.
So that's basically it. I keep it in folders. So if you wanted to do it divisionally, you could have a divisional folder, or your area could have a folder each. But I use this at my last place. We used it a lot. It's it's just really easy. You can make links, you can embed it into your classroom, and it just sits there. That's me. Thank you very much.